been like me, all year you've been thinking, I'm going to make embroidered gifts, I'm going to make embroidered cards, everyone's going to get their own personalised stocking, and then you arrive in November and you've got none of it done. So now you're trying to think of ways to maybe still give an embroidered gift or card, but something that takes a lot less time than a piece of embroidery does. Well, I'm hoping the answer, at least to Christmas cards, is in here. Let's have a look how these turned out. So I'm pretty pleased with these. Let's have a look how I designed this Christmas tree. This is the finished Christmas tree out of the hoop, and as you can see, my hoop left a brown mark. I was absolutely devastated, to be honest. It's not done that before, but I wonder, I have only used it on a darker fabric, so perhaps I just hadn't noticed before. And I'm not sure why it has done that, and that is not coming out. I did try gently washing that out, but didn't want to come out. Luckily, I managed to take the picture and sort of frame it without the stain on. What I did was do an embroidery, quite a simple one, take a picture, uploaded it into Canva, just the free version, nothing fancy, in their folded card designs, and then uploaded it into a printing website. And this is a little bit of a prototype really. I had no idea how it would turn out, whether my picture was good enough, what it would look like, and the quality. All in all, I'm pretty pleased, and I'll be happy to send these out this year. The photograph actually turned out a lot better than I thought. You can see actually where I've missed a few stitches, so the photograph is almost a little too good. It is showing up the flaws of my embroidery. But apart from that, I was really pleased, and I just went with a really simple Christmas tree idea.